The Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King said of Marcus Garvey, he was the first man on a mass scale and level to give millions to Negroes and make the Negro feel he was somebody. But many people still no know say Marcus Garvey, who has inspired many across the globe, some of the greatest activists, a Jamaican. He was born on August 17, 1887, and is the founder and first president general of the Universal Negro Improvement Association and African Communities League. We just want to say a big happy birthday to Marcus Garvey, and we honor him always.